Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how or what is the use of Task Manager into your Windows. So Task Manager, that is like a behind the scene control panel for your computer. It's a powerful tool that helps you manage running applications, monitor your system performance, and troubleshoot issues on your Windows. Now, how can you open your task manager? It's very easy. Look at your taskbar. So I'm going to share it to you also the different ways on how you can open task manager. First is in your taskbar. Right click on it and select task manager. And now your task manager window is opened. So here you can simply find the processes or the applications running in your Windows. Also for the applications that you have opened, you can simply find that from here. You also have here the applications that is using high CPU, memory, disk, and the network usage. And then you also have here your performance, your Windows performance from CPU activity up to your GPU activity. So you can find that from here. You also have here your app history. So as you can see, then you also have here the startup apps, the startup programs that start automatically whenever you sign in into your Windows if these are enabled. You have here your user and then the services, the list of services on your Windows. So that is the first way in how you can open the task manager. Second way is go ahead in the Windows search bar and type task manager and just simply click on it, and the same window will appear. That's the second one. The third one, press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window and type task mgr. Hit enter. The same window will appear. So this is useful especially if the Windows search bar is not working. The last one or on how you can open the task manager is very useful. It's just to press Control plus Shift plus Escape keys. It's Control plus Shift plus Escape keys and your task manager window will be opened. So here in your task manager window, you can see all the programs and background tasks running on your PC. Wherein if this application is not working fine, you can end the process from here. Let's say, for example, Google Chrome. If this is not working fine, you just have to make a right click and then select End Task. And then and unresponsive applications, as what I have done with the Google Chrome. Monitor your system performance, track CPU, memory disk, and network usage in real time. So you just have to click on performance from here. And then this will also manage the startup programs, control which applications start when your computer boots up or starts or during sign-in. So if you want to enable an application during startup, you just have to simply make a right click and then select enable. And if you want to disable, all you have to do is make a right click and then select disable. Then it also a handy tool for everyday users and advanced troubleshooting. Especially if your command prompt is not working, you can open the command prompt from here in your task manager. You just have to click on run new task and type in here CMD. And then check this box, create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. And your command prompt will open. Also for the PowerShell, just simply click on run new task and type PowerShell. Check this box, create this task with administrative privileges, and click on OK. And just simply type your commands in here, especially if you're facing issues with your Windows. And that's it. That's how you can open and the use of the Task Manager into your Windows. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.